Okay, I want to give you a quick tutorial on Excel to help you with figuring in different areas. So one thing I want to do is you want to find out the square footage of these different areas. So the gymnasium's 100 by 200. So instead of getting out your calculator and figuring it out, what you do is click on the box, go up here to AutoSum, click on AutoSum. Now, what you want to do is multiply this number by this number. So you have to get this cell first, so click on it. See, it comes up as E4. And the multiplication sign in Excel is the asterisk. So times, and then you want to click on the next cell, F4. Okay, 100 times 200, then you just hit enter. 20,000. Okay, now since the formula is there, Excel knows that if you grab the bottom right corner, when you show this little black plus sign, grab it, hold down your mouse, and drag it down to the bottom. It's going to extend the formula to each cell that you drag it to. Okay, so now it's figured out all of these. Now the only one that you want to do different, you're going to click on the change rooms because there's two of them. So double click on that. Now you can just go to here, and we know that it's E12 times F12, those two numbers, but we want to do also times multiplication, the asterisk, times 2. I'm going to double it, enter, 7,000. Okay, now another easy way to read these numbers, because sometimes it's hard to see what they are when they get bigger, more zeros, is go up to this area, it's called number, the number area, and there's a comma, so you want to add commas in there, so just hit the comma button, boom. Okay, now one thing it also does is gives you 2 decimal places. We don't want those decimal places. We want to go decrease decimal by going up to here again in the number area. So you click on it once, click on it twice, and there's your number. Okay, same sort of thing for cost. We want to go up to here to AutoSum. Okay, hit the AutoSum in the editing, and it's in here, but we want to take just click on the cell again that you want to find the cost for. So it's that, and it's times asterisk $200 per square foot, and hit enter. So that's where we're getting 4 million. Okay, now again, make sure you hover over this bottom right corner with the little black X, hold down your mouse, drag it, boom. Okay, there's the cost for each of your areas. Now, a few other things we want to do is we want to total this column. So we're going to click on this box down here, go up to the AutoSum. It's going to automatically know that you want to total sum up all these numbers. So it just knows that, hit enter, there's your total. And actually, it bounced right over to this one too. How did that happen? Maybe I'm learning something new today too. Maybe I had them both highlighted. Let's have a look again. Boom. Nope. For some reason, it did it automatically. I'm not sure why, but let's say that wasn't there. We would just go AutoSum. This one didn't go to the full one. If you want to expand it, you just go to the whole area. I want all those numbers. You see what I did? I just, when you went to the top right corner, there's the diagonal arrow. Then we're going to get all our cells highlighted, enter. Okay, now a few other things we want to do is we're going to actually click on the top of this column. We want to go up to the number area again, and it's the dollar sign. Click on the dollar sign, and we don't really want our pennies and nickels to show here. So we're just going to go down like that. Okay, so now we know that here we are. All those have been totaled to this amount. I'll make it a little bit bolder so you know that's the total, and this is the total here. Okay, so that's for calculating. On here, when I was showing you how to, if I select an area, I'm going to go up to this area right over here. It says font, but there's this one little area. It looks like a little small chart. It says bottom border. We're going to click on the little down arrow. And then what I did is thick outside borders right there. Okay, when I click off that area, so that has given me those thick outside areas. If I just want to do those, I'm going to go up here. Now it's defaulting to the thick outside borders. Click on that. There we are again. Okay. Easy way for me to undo things, instead of hitting up here. I just do Control X and it undoes things. Okay. All right, so that's a quick tutorial on Excel. If you want, oh, maybe I'll also show you this. If you highlight the columns that you want to change, so let's say you're working on these ones over here. You say, oh, they're too wide, but I want to make them look square like those ones, not so rectangle. Just right click on, highlight the columns, right click. My picture's there. Hold on. I'm going to go like this. We're going to right. It's not. We're going to go to. What is it? Doing something weird to me here. Okay, there we go. Okay. We are going to column width. All right. I went up to the top to click on, right click on it. Column width. And right now this column is 8.43. So let's go down to, let's try 4. See what 4 looks like. Let's hit 4, enter. Oh, that's pretty close, but maybe not quite so square. So we're going to go back again. We're going to go column width. And we're going to go to 3. Well, 3 is, if I could click off it. Yeah, 3 looks pretty square. All right. So you can just highlight your columns, right click, column width. If you want to do 15, you know they're going to be really wide. Okay, it's that simple with that one. Just highlight at the top. Don't go in here and highlight it. You want to do the full columns, okay, like that. But you have to just check, right click when you're in the top bar. All right, so column width, just like that. Okay, we'll stop it there. Hopefully this was helpful. If you need any more assistance, text me or call me, send me an email.